Hi guys, welcome to my channel Crochet with Greta. In this video I'm gonna show you how from this straight hair I'm gonna make this curly hair on my really favorite Highland cow. To do this curly hair we need PVA glue, which is really safe to use, and we need small crochet hook. And let's begin. I already have some PVA glue in here, and I'm gonna use for my Highland cow amigurumi. I'm starting with the really first hair. Put some glue on my finger. I'm starting from the bottom and all the way to the top. I make sure I have glue everywhere. Don't put too much glue. Taking my crochet hook and I'm start twisting a hair around my hook, and do not twist too hard and too much to the hook, because it will be too hard to pull off. I'm waiting for 2-3 seconds, no more than that, and I'm pulling very gentle, and you can see we have our first go. We're moving to the second. We're repeating bottom from the top. Make sure we have everywhere, and twisting around my hook, waiting for another 2-3 seconds and pulling very gentle, and I'm repeating this all the way to the end. And the last one. Waiting again 2-3 seconds. Pulling out very gentle. And we have curly hair. You can see it's like every curl doesn't stay right, so what I'm doing, I'll just start gentle, pulling the hairs the way and the longest. I make them long as I want, and make a little hairstyle to my Highland cow, and you can see it look much better now. We have two little friends with curly hairs. Thanks for watching guys. I'm Crochet with Greta. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for some more, and see you next time.